choosing innovation in persistence. Finding happiness in innovation. Breaking through in happiness. Dedicated to be the world's highest qualified and most intelligent service provider of bag-making and printing solution, Onor is using craftsmanship, manufacturing, and intelligent development to write a more brilliant glory.
Unuo Fayum 0 to 1 for 17 years. We are always focused on customer value. Continuous innovation. Promote the development of the industry. We look forward to more customers working with us to witness the strong future of the industry.
The global environment crisis is getting more and more severe, which makes sustainable development imperative. Onor is empowered for the future, catching the trend and actively creating new environment-friendly development. Since the future has come, we expect to work with you to achieve a win-win situation.
Every single iteration of our innovation are based on the concept of reducing costs and increasing efficiency for customers. Exploring the potential demand of the market becomes a new business opportunity to provide customers with better, faster and more quality of customized services. Trust Onnuo. Choose Onnuo. Let's grow up together. Win-win together. Industry is changing because of us.
Onor is committed to the pursuit of high-quality innovation concept, not only to provide customers with a key personalized solutions to promote the realization of whole supply chain industrial upgrading, cost reduction, and efficiency. At the same time, we follow the circular economy to reduce waste and energy consumption. We develop intelligent and digital technology to empower with intelligence. Sense together and detect the whole process to create the ideal value for you with low investment and high return. With 17 years of effort, we have successfully pioneered the non-woven stereoscopic machine with 17 years of concentration, which has been working out smoothly in 165 countries and regions around the world. With the spirit of craftsmanship, Onor is sticking to innovation, stepping on the waves and following our dreams.
Our manufacturing personnel always make quality products with professional cohesion. The production line is based on digital and modern and intelligent, advanced and high efficiency as the guidance, with the high standard modularity as the core, aim to contribute to a better made in China.
Each of us creations and achievements are well known in the industry. Driven by independent innovation, Onor always takes creating value for customers as its development concept and source power. Onor has been making dreams come true, bravely exploring the desert that no one has ever reclaimed before, and eliminating the traditional thinking stereotypes. We have independently developed 202 patents from scratch, including 80 invention patents, and have more than 40 scientific research and experimental teams using more than 20 years of professional experience to lead the creation and innovation of the industry, continuously empowering and rejuvenating. We have realized our manned factory and built overseas parts warehouse. We invested 200 million yuan in the world's high-precision processing equipment and over 300 million RMB in digital factory, so as to show Onor's determination of being rooted in the industry to the world. Onor provides the whole industry chain solution for bag making and packaging printing. Our items are non-woven bag making machine series, paper bag making machine series, paper molding machine series, quad seal and flat bottom flat machine series, screen printing machine series, flexographic printing machine series, rotogravure printing machine series, digital printing machine series, raw material series. We benchmark with the world's 100-year giants of flexible packaging equipment based on international vision. We match customized services with powerful data assets to ensure that each customer enjoys a full lifecycle service experience, such as global door-to-door assistance and bilingual optional online support. This is awakening of Honor to the dream and its consistency. We are looking forward to earning your choice. Honor sets the benchmarks of leading the industry development, independently innovating to take up the social responsibility, and breaking the tradition and dialogue with the future. Honor makes achievements for employees, customers, and enterprises. We uphold the sustainable strategic view. Team is talent-based, and talents are quality-based. We absorb outstanding talent from multiple channels and train each family member of Honor in elite way to pass on, help, and lead, so as to grow and develop together and achieve together. There have been numerous confusion and hardships in the development of Honor, but we have never given up. We will continue to challenge the cross-era innovation with its original intention and create a new journey together.
We will pull the strength of all the Onyo people, explore the unknown, help Honor have bright future.
Honor, with ardor and wisdom, is implementing the corporate vision of being the top service provider of bag-making and printing solution in the world. With high vision, value-adding and beyond, we are leading the new development momentum of the machinery industry with professionalism and intelligence.